Welcome, explorers. We get a little crazy around here, from exploring abandoned buildings to hiking to mountain biking to paddleboarding. We do it all. Oh, by the way, my name is James, and I am the Ethnic Explorer. Let's go. We're out here exploring a little bit. I got a cooking episode for you all. But first, of course, we gotta explore some beautiful nature, see what we can see what we can find, and just enjoy ourselves while we're out here. I'm gonna work up an appetite, so I'll be hungry for this meal. But in the meantime, let's explore and see what we can find, what kind of plants we can see, and just enjoy those good vibes. Here at Twin Lakes, we've been here before, but as of now, I'm just practicing my film style, getting everything down packed, so you will see some repeat locations. This lake has a bit of history though. This lake was built by an all-black conservation corps, and it comprises of two lakes. One lake was the lake for the white folks, the other was the lake for the black folks. This was built during a time of segregation, although an all-black CCC built both of these lakes. They weren't able to enjoy both of these lakes. And they also established the state forest, Prince Edward Galleon State Forest, that surrounds these two lakes. Recently, it was Labor Day, so the lake is out of season. Not a lot of people are here during the open season. This place is pretty packed, pretty popular. It's a pretty good lake. I grew up coming to this lake, swimming in this lake. I remember when they had a diving board for the more advanced people out in the middle where you could dive off. But since then, Virginia State Parks has gotten rid of those due to the liability. Cool tree, how it grew. It's pretty awesome. It's a little cedar tree. So we've made it to the end of the trail. It's dinner time. So I say we go back and we make that tofu, pepper, and onion scramble that I love personally. I'm vegan, if you don't know. I've been vegan for around 9 years, and I absolutely love it. It makes me feel so good. Oh my goodness. That was a nice little hike. But now, my friends, it's time to prepare the food. I don't have a refrigerator in here, so I use a cooler. I have this soft cooler, and I also have a 52 quart cooler that takes up like a lot of the space back here, so I just use this most of the time. Alright. We have the tofu, 2 peppers, black pepper, and an onion. I know a lot of y'all probably think this is a light meal, but this actually does fill me up and it's quite delicious. So don't knock it till you try it. If you haven't tried it, try it. I'm gonna cut this pepper up. And please, if you see me cutting something wrong, just know that I am not a chef. I'm just a guy in a van that semi knows how to like cut and cook, if any at all. so, oh, the seeds. Oh, so critique me if you must. We're gonna get some tofu. I get the extra firm tofu. I love it. Organic extra firm tofu is my jam. Cut it in half. Well, more like 3/4. This one's falling apart on me. Honestly, I've never had that happen before until I do it on camera, and that's when it makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing. But in reality, I know what I'm doing. Sorta, kinda. I think that's good. As many of you know, I have an outdoor kitchen that I built from some hinges that fold up and a piece of plywood. It just pops up like so and locks into place. I put this non-slip down first because I don't want my stove to slip and fall. It hangs off of this a little bit, so that's the reason for that. Avocado oil. This is a non-stick pan, but gotta add some oil up in there so everything can be properly lubricated. Get everything nice and mixed up. Fire to it and let it rip. Oh, almost forgot the black pepper. Okay. Hear me out now. That wasn't the most seasoned tofu or anything. I usually put mango sauce on it, which I'm out. So I didn't have that flavor, which makes it 1,000 times better. But it was still a good meal and it filled me up. It hit the spot. So I can't really complain about it being not too seasoned. But you know, when you're hungry and you eat something, it's always gonna be good because you're hungry. But now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these dishes. Y'all have seen me do it like 1,000 times, so I'm not gonna film that. When I get back, these dishes will be done. I try not to dirt up too many dishes. I usually just eat it straight out of the pot. And honestly, I don't know why I didn't do that today. Weird. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. Oh, what a great day. Oh my gosh, it feels so good out here. You can feel fall is on the way, and hopefully it stays and doesn't get back hot like it's been. But today is like 75 degrees. Whew. I tell you, it feels really good. I'm gonna do some digging, see if I can't find my hammock. There they are. Got my hammock. Gonna chill for a bit. Got my hammock and straps. I'm gonna go over here and just chill by the lake for a bit because this is such a nice day. Why not? Y'all, it's absolutely nobody out here. There's nobody on the beach. There was a few people on the beach. The campground is across the road. It's super quiet. Just there's a train back there, but it's so crazy peaceful. I'm telling you, today super relaxing, and I'm so glad that I get to bring you all along with me on these adventures. I love doing it. I love filming. This is what I love doing. And if I could do this every day, that would be my dream come true. So please feel free to like, subscribe, comment. Oh, today I store my hammocks and everything inside of this dry bag is because it's convenient and everything can be together. It's not that I don't want it to get wet or anything, it's just super convenient to have everything just right there in one bag. I want to thank you all for joining me, watching my episodes, supporting me, being here with me. It's been a pleasure. I love it. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna rest up, go chill. But as always, explorers, peace, love, and have a great day wherever you are.